Alright guys, so like the video title says, today we're going to look at the Heavy Hitch 3-point receiver with weight bracket. I picked up one of these to put on the 318 that has the loader because I need more weight in the back. It's just been way too front heavy, even with a few suitcase weights hanging off the 3-point. I just need more. I looked at a few different options out there, including this one. The other one was from Ruegg, and I chose the Heavy Hitch because it holds 6, where Ruegg advertises theirs only holds 4. I also like the fact that Heavy Hitch says that you can flip this around and have the weights on the inside, so you have a little bit better clearance instead of having the weights hang off the back. So we'll see how that works. So right now we're going to go through unboxing it. I'm going to get it out, take a look at it, see how it's built, and install it on the tractor and hang some weights on it and see what we got. Alright, so first impressions are that it's built really well. The welds look nice, it's real thick, it's heavy. The box says it weighs about 35 pounds by itself. There's a nice finish on it. You can see the hitch there. There's a hook here, also welded to the hitch. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So so far so good. So let's go ahead and hang this on there, and we'll see how it fits. Alright, so it's on. One thing I didn't mention earlier, there is no other hardware that comes with the hitch, so I had to make a quick run to the store to get a couple pins and everything to be able to mount this up. So if you were thinking that it comes with everything you need, it's not true. That's just the hitch in the box. Okay, so this thing's supposed to be able to hold 6 John Deere suitcase weights. I have 4, and I also have 2 Cub Cadet suitcase weights that are about the same size. So we'll see if those fit also, and then we'll confirm whether or not, both Cub Cadet and John Deere suitcase weights will fit on this. Alright, so there you have it. All 6 weights fit. Cub Cadet or John Deere, they're about the same size. My first impressions are this is a pretty high quality piece. I'm pretty happy with my purchase. Definitely needed the extra weight with the loader. So with 6 of these weights, assuming the Cub Cadet weights are the same size and weight as the John Deere weights, we're probably looking at about roughly 290 pounds of weight on the back here right now, including the hitch itself. That coupled with my wheel weights and the fluid-filled tires, I probably have somewhere around 450 to 500 pounds of ballast, which is what I was looking for with the loader. One of these hitches will currently run you about $250 with shipping, depending on where you buy it. I bought this direct from Heavy Hitch, and it was $218 plus the shipping, so I paid about $245 or so after the shipping. I've seen it higher prices if you buy it from somewhere else, so I'd recommend just going ahead and get it right from Heavy Hitch. Last thing I want to do here is flip the hitch around and try to put the weights on it. They advertise, I think, that you can do that. Just first glance here, I don't see how I could do that and put all 6 weights on. And so that's why I want to do it here, to confirm whether or not you can. So let's go ahead and try that out. All right, so you can see I'm not able to do that. I can't put the weights on the inside. I'm not sure that's because of the type of 3-point this is. Maybe because this is a John Deere OEM 3-point that won't work, and maybe one of the aftermarket ones will. I'm not really sure. I have the top link extended almost all the way out to the point where I think I'm probably just about out of threads, so I really can't go any further. Yeah, so I'm not really sure what I might be doing incorrectly here, because looking at the picture that they have on their website, they show this in this position. The hitch looks the same. The only thing I can think is maybe the lower 3-point arms are longer on the hitch that they have, allowing that to come out a little further. I don't know. So if you know, appreciate it in the comments so I can figure out what I'm doing wrong. If I figure that out, I'll either do an update video or I'll put it in the description of this video. All right, so there you have it. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I think the build quality is really good. It holds 6 weights like I was looking for. Other than not being sure, what I'm doing incorrectly here about getting the weights to be inside like that, I think it's a pretty good quality product. So, and most likely that's either, something that I'm doing incorrectly, or maybe a part that I have that's different than what they have on their tractor that they show in the pictures. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're thinking about getting one of these, I think it's a pretty good move. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.